One man, one bike, one desire. To ride home across Europe, a cycle ride from northern Italy over the Alps to England. A journey of 1,300 kilometres across 6 European countries. A bikepacking trip of 8 stages averaging 163 kilometres per day. Join me as I ride the Euro Velo Cycle Route 15 and the Rhine Rad Weg from the source of the River Rhine in the High Alps at Andermatt, Switzerland, to its conclusion where it terminates at the North Sea at the Hook of Holland. A test of personal endurance, resilience and self-reliance. Perhaps a challenge too far, too tough, too uncomfortable, too demanding on body and mind. Morale low. This is my story of accomplishing my cycling dream. I hope an inspirational story, an uplifting tale of exploration, an extraordinary journey that is both tough and at times emotional. At 55 years old, my message to you: don't give up. You can do anything and live life.